Asik. Arep nandi? Ki lho arek ngarit.
Lala jadi cakah lanang kok ngaritan.
Ya wis, melu aku wae ngarit.
Ya wis ayo.
Tak cukup helm sik.
Yo.
Nah, helm.
Lalah nggopo helm?
Demi keselamatan dan kenyamanan, pakailah helm, bro.
Yuk.
Karena jatuh di jalan nggak seindah jatuh cinta. Asik.
When he's given the signal. Green light, red flag in the back. Toraro was. That means there's an opening there for the lights.
Hindley on the Suzuki. Heavy siren, the battered broom.
Brilliant start from Marquez from pole. It's
Quattararo's down! Is that the Vitioso
I think
as well?
it is!
There's
Unbelievable!
Fire from the Ducati. The high side. Down he went. One of the factory Ducatis clattered in.
Believe it. They're trying to get that bike out. They're looking to Davizioso now. I hope he's okay because he looked hurt.
Nowhere to push into the air. He's rolled through the tarmac runoff quite a few times there.
I just wonder if we might see a red flag here if they can't get
For Fabio Quattararo. A shocker for Andrea Davizioso. Marc Marquez now has
Bam! The back straight into Brooklands from Rossi and Rins with Viñales then following Morbidelli.
battered into Quattararo's Yamaha. He's on the
He's wincing
stretcher.
a bit.
Yeah, well, that was a big launch over the handlebars.
He's charging through, but he's gone deep.
Jack Miller was briefly side by side. Marquez and Vincenzo.
Did they all of them are giving that one up, and it's cost them dearly, and that means now we have been such a start, and now Rins goes up the inside of Marquez. Oh, and Duffy's up the inside as well.
Hard stopping Stein. Away out the inside and Miller into turn 6. He does because Miller had a big moment on the front end. Left it
Here. And this is as far back as he's been in a long time. Dovey up the inside of Miller there. He's up into third.
Marquez drive. Davizioso powers on through. Davizioso second.
Gonna fly past Alex Rins on the Suzuki. Quattararo then with 3/4 of a second in his back pocket already.
Marquez on the hill into turn number 4. Rossi's on the charge. He started 10.
There's Crutchlow. He's gone down. He's wincing a bit.
Yeah, well, that was a big launch over the handlebars.
He's charging through, but he's gone deep.
Jack Miller was briefly side by side. Marquez and Vincenzo.
Did they all of them are giving that one up, and it's cost them dearly, and that means now we have been such a start, and now Rins goes up the inside of Marquez. Oh, and Duffy's up the inside as well.
Hard stopping Stein. Away out the inside and Miller into turn 6. He does because Miller had a big moment on the front end. Left it
Here. And this is as far back as he's been in a long time. Dovey up the inside of Miller there. He's up into third.
Marquez drive. Vincenzo powers on through.
Tekan iki. Endi? Kono. Apa sing diaret iki? Lala, nggone areng tok apa sing arep diarit? Genah bentuke kaya ngene.
Tapi biyen nggak kaya ngene lho.
Duren-duren, roti-roti. Biyen-biyen, saiki-saiki. Ngene iki lho, nek dibakar sayang.
Ah, ora usah ngomong sayang-sayang. Pada akhirnya semua yang bilang sayang akan kalah dengan yang berani meminang.
Asik.
Bagaikan langit di sore hari berwarna biru, sebiru hatiku menanti kabar yang aku tunggu, peluk dan cium hangatnya untukku.
Ya wis, ra sida ngarit ayo bali wae.
Ayo.
Oke guys, kalian telah menyaksikan video ini. Ucapkan kami terima kasih dan jangan lupa subscribe dan like, komen tetap di channel Cakalan 93. Yuk, 2. Yuk.
Asik.
Yuk.
Karena jatuh di jalan nggak seindah jatuh cinta.
Terima kasih telah menyaksikan video kami.